In this video, I would like to show you how to move the cords if you ever have to do that. So remember, there are two cords coming out of each drum, and one is attached to the bottom of the shade, the other one is attached to the fabric holder or the floating bar. There is a swinging arm here. You have to push it to release the locking and then slide it into the rail. Okay, it's really easy, but it's stiff, so keep your fingers safe. Use some tool if you have to. Now, this is a little bit trickier because you don't see the screw here. You have to reach through the opening of the headrail, but if you know what you're doing, it's absolutely fine. So there is the screw right here. It sits between the two spools, so you need a small Allen wrench vertically and reach between the spools like that. If you poke through the opening, you can see it. It looks like a little black dot, so it's not that hard indeed. You loosen the screw, then slide it in the truck, and then tighten up again. There we go.